Hi, today we're going to take you on a tour of a mother of pearl factory in Vietnam. This factory is located outside of Hanoi, Vietnam, in one of the lacquer villages. Now the first thing they need to do before they put any lacquer of a mother of pearl on is they need to put like a glue on top of the base so that the pearl will be able to stay on it. So you can see they sort of have this clay-like type of glue that they're putting on. And they have to put it on relatively thick so that, the pearl will be able to stay. So once they put the glue on, and then they literally just start hand by hand, piece by piece, placing the mother pearl. Now this one piece she's placing now is kind of a pink, what we call a pink color mother pearl, because it's got a little bit of a sort of a pinky tone to it. So each one of these has to be cut, into its shape and has to be sorted before, it can be sent to the factory, and then the factory will put it on. So you can see how this is just going. It takes time, but it takes also skill because they have to know exactly how to be able to place it on. And she's just making sure here that it's secure into the clay. So here she is again. So if she does this wrong and she have to take it off, it's really kind of a bit of a problem because it means that then she may have to start all over again, and so it really does require people that have some kind of skill to be able to do this and to be able to sort through the pieces quickly. And now she's going to cut some here because she needs to fit that one piece in. Now she's going to have to cut another piece to be able to fit it in to that little area right there. So it's kind of like putting together a bit of a jigsaw puzzle. You can see actually how very quickly she's working as she just goes piece by piece all around this mirror frame that she's doing. And you see that she's throwing some out, like she has them in her hand, and if she feels like, okay, this piece is cracked or the piece is broken or something is wrong with it, she will, throw the piece down on the floor. So not only is she placing the piece in, but she's also sorting through the pieces as she's going and deciding, whether the piece fits or if it doesn't fit right. And those other pieces are discarded. They will look at them and maybe use them in something else or use them another way. It's not like they're gonna just throw them away. It's quite fascinating to watch this because you see here she's sort of counting up and making sure she has the same number on both sides. Then cutting again. So the mother pearl is quite thin, so she's able to actually cut the mother pearl. If you want to know more about mother pearl, we've written a blog on it. You can go on to our website, and we have a blog about what is mother pearl that we talk all about the actual substance of mother pearl. So she's just going to keep going along here and just continue putting on the pieces. Now you notice that before she was doing kind of the pink color. Now she has another color that she's doing. So for this particular frame, she's mixing the colors. So many times they will do that. They will mix and put different colors on. So again, she has to be able to count and know exactly what she's doing so that each piece is exactly the same. So this really is handmade work as each piece is put on piece by piece. So now you can see that the piece is pretty much all completed. You know, I mean, someone who's skilled, it didn't take that much time. She's counting it, making sure that it's correct. But for somebody who's quite skilled, it's, you know, really, she did it relatively quickly. This is why this really takes a lot of skill to be able to do this right. Otherwise, it could take somebody a very long time, and it would just take a lot of labor if that was the case. Thank you for listening. This has been a video by Anita Hummel, and we'd love to hear from you, or please subscribe to our YouTube channel. We have a lot of other great videos of factory tours and other things about creating great home decor and home furnishing products. Also, we'd love to hear from you. Feel free to check out our Facebook, our Instagram, or to contact us on our webpage, www.mindoro.com. Thank you so much for listening. We truly do appreciate you listening to us. If you'd like to have a free copy of our lookbook that we offer to everybody, please go on to our website and download a free copy of our lookbook with a lot of great design ideas. Thank you so much.